Get rid of wrinkles in just 7 days. Make a homemade cream that is going to make you younger. In this article, we're going to present you a recipe for a homemade cream that is going to help you reduce wrinkles. The best thing about it is that you can prepare it at home with only several ingredients that you probably already have. This homemade cream is an excellent for skincare because it hydrates your skin, it improves the complexion of your skin, it reduces the wrinkles and slows down the aging process of your skin. It is prepared of natural ingredients and it's completely safe. You can use it for all skin types. Homemade cream. The first results should appear in only 1 week. The recipe is extremely simple. Take 2 teaspoons of medical Vaseline, 1 yolk, 2 tablespoons of almond oil, or you can use olive oil instead, half a tablespoon of good quality honey. First, melt the Vaseline on steam. It will take you several minutes. After melting, remove it from the heat and add the other ingredients. Mix well and stir for several minutes until you get a homogeneous mixture. Put them in a container. You can use an empty container of 50 milliliters from an old cream. First, clean your skin and apply the homemade cream using easy moves and gentle massage. Remove what's left of the cream half an hour later using a piece of cotton soaked in some mineral water, or with wet tissue for face cleaning. Note: apply this cream on your face 2 hours before going to bed because it takes more than an hour for the cream to penetrate into the skin. Store your homemade cream in the fridge. The first results should appear after you've used all of the cream you made with the amount of these ingredients, but if you want to, you can prepare more. Do not make a double dose of the homemade cream at once because all of the ingredients are natural.